In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best shipping method on CJ Dropshipping. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what the options mean, and how to quickly choose the method that fits your store's needs. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account and sign in so you can see the shipping details that apply to you. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you're managing a product or an order. On the left side of the screen, CJ displays the key shipping information you need. This panel is your quick guide to delivery time and the available shipping methods, so keep your eye there as you compare options. You'll notice a country section that shows the route, for example, from China to the United States. This is important because shipping methods and delivery times change based on the origin and destination. If you need to check a different destination, use the country selector to switch it. Updating this lets CJ recalculate the shipping options for the route you actually need, which helps you avoid surprises later. Now scroll down through the shipping methods and delivery times. You'll see a list of carriers and services, each with an estimated delivery window and a corresponding cost. Move steadily through the list and compare a few options side by side. Faster methods usually cost more, while economy options are more budget-friendly but take longer. As you read each method, pay attention to two things: the estimated days and the price shown. The sweet spot for most stores is a balance where the delivery time meets your customers' expectations without cutting too deeply into your margins. If you're shipping from China to the United States, you might see a wide range of estimates depending on the carrier and season. That's normal. Use the displayed estimates as a planning guide, and remember they can shift during peak periods. When in doubt, choose a method with a comfortable buffer relative to your promised delivery window. Also consider whether tracking is included and how reliable the service is in your target country. Those details are usually reflected in the method name and the delivery time range. Once you've reviewed the options on the left panel, pick the method that aligns with your budget and timeline for that route. If you serve multiple countries, repeat the quick check by changing the destination and scrolling the list again to see what changes. That's it. By opening your account, checking the left side panel, confirming the route, and scrolling through the shipping methods and delivery times, you can confidently choose the best shipping method on CJ Dropshipping every time.